Oh, okay, now it's going. I just seen the time start. So, out here fishing at the lake. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Right at the shore, huh? Whew, that's a big one, huh? Wow, nice.
Oh, it's my second 10-pounder. I hope.
Nice stand right there.
Biggest boy. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Nice. He's probably about
5. Yeah.
5.
Yeah, he's about 5.
The tail's bleeding.
Yep, that's from bedding.
Bedding?
Yep.
Check him out.
Fishing to pull up too?
Yeah, I pulled him all the way out from out there in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
Biggest one today.